Video 611, we're still working on filling out this file format and then loading it into the engine. Let's look at the code deltas. So in FILE196 within Easyhot to libinty function, we have finished this function, but it does need some reworking, which we'll do in the next video. So first of all, we want to get the luminosity bracket. So we're going to take lum510 and divide by 128, which is going to give us a value 0, 1, 2, or 3 for the luminosity bracket. We'll air check it here, and then down here we're going to extract the layer and v16 from our lumo key lookup table by multiplying the luminosity bracket by a stride of 2 and adding the relative offset to the record. We're going to air check this and make sure that it's in the correct bounds, and then down here we're going to fill out the libinty output object. So hasTile will be set to 1 unless unset, and the layer is going to be the layer we extracted. Now, the bin tile is going to be a little bit tricky, so if we're on the geometry layer, we're going to shift the tile value into the most significant bit slot, and we're not going to worry about the other transforms of the tile value at this point in time. If we are on the BOM layer, then we're going to take the 4-bit BOM value, and we're also going to shift it into the most significant bits of our 32-bit value, and then we have the bin tile value. We're not going to worry about the other bits at this point in time, and if we're on the FATA layer, we're going to throw an error because we're not going to support that with Josh's format for the foreseeable future. And if the tile value is 0, we're going to flag hasTile as 0. Down here is what we did previously, and here's all of our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. So, if you want a longer explanation of what I did, you can go here to the Ninja Coder playlist. You are here on the Kanji Coder playlist. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game using vertical, horizontal, and 4-way proximity mines. Like and subscribe.